We have the Anthropologie Advent calendar. It's a 24-day calendar and it's $100. So that means to recoup our $100, we need a daily value of $4.17. It supposedly has a $300 value. Let's see what we got. I like what it says on the first day. And so it begins. Oh, we have one of my favorite brands, Kapari. Oh, that's exciting. This is something I haven't tried before. It is the Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. Don't forget to wear your sunscreen when you use that kind of stuff. True. Excited for this. Yes, it's a sample size at 1 ounce, but I'd give you $4.15. Was it $4.15 or $4.17? I forgot. Oh, she's forgetful in her old age. No, we've done too many Advents. That's the problem. $4.17. Yes, I would give you $4.17 for this. This is a lip ointment and a raspberry shortcake. I'm not opposed to a lip ointment. Definitely, lips need extra moisturizing in the colder weather, even when it's 84 degrees outside. Welcome to Southern California. Yet, raspberry, couldn't we have had a mint or a cinnamon or... This will get used, it's just not going to be till the summertime. What do you think? Let me know. I want to know. I'm inquiring camel. We have an itty-bitty little brow gel from AVH. I don't know if I'd give you $4.17 for this. I don't think I'd even give you the 17. Oh, we have our first perfume. Maison Louis Marie. Number 4, perfume oil. L'Occitane is one of my favorite brands. Unfortunately, what keeps popping up is a product with almond oil in it that I can't use because I'm allergic to nuts, but that's the way it goes sometimes, I guess. This is their sample size, and I'm looking at their and feeling around on their packaging. There's no braille on this one. The one we got in the November Allure box, the package was bigger and there was braille on it. It said almond shower oil in braille. Yeah, I thought that was kind of neat. Anyway, Jeff will probably be the recipient of this. This is from Truly. It is Cocoa Cloud Aftershave Oil. This could be interesting. My skin is a little on the sensitive side, so I don't know if I would put this on after shaving. However, an oil to help moisturize my legs just in general during the winter time, yes, I would take that, and I would give you $4.17 for it. This is 20 milliliters, so we're just shy of 1 ounce. And I'm getting a sniff through the top. Smells great. Vanilla, coconut milk, argan oil, white tea, and vitamin E. This looks familiar. Yeah, it does. Skylar Vanilla Sky. It's a perfume. Did we get it in a box? Or a previous Advent calendar? Maybe either that or I've watched too many other channels do unboxings and have seen this. Anyone out there remember? Did we already get this? I can't remember what I got. If anyone sees my brain floating by, grab it for her. This is from Pilcrow. It is a perfume oil. We seem to be a little heavy in the perfume department, at least in my opinion. I can't get a sniff on this one, but we shall see. This is from Verve. It is a glossy shine spray. Not my favorite brand, but I'm willing to give this a try and compare the two and see how they do head to head with each other. Oh, this could be a battle in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss our battles. Super Goof Unseen Sunscreen. That's an interesting concept. So it's not going to leave white gloop and glop all over you. I don't get along well with this, yet I'm glad to see more sunscreens popping up in calendars, and all this year I have seen more sunscreens popping up in boxes. That is good. Speaking of sunscreens, this has an SPF of 30, and it's an oil. Yes, this is Vacation Shimmer Oil SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Oil. It is 1 ounce in size. It's hard to read, especially under the ring light. I'm definitely willing to give this a try. Usually you get an oil, which reminds me of back in the day when we used to sit out slathered in baby oil. No sunscreen. No sunscreen, just baby oil. Oh boy, we baked. This is from Living Proof. It is their clarifying shampoo. Clarifying Detox Shampoo. It is 1 ounce in size. I hope that somewhere along the line in this calendar, we get a conditioner to go with it. That would be nice. We are halfway through this box. If you like what you're seeing on our channel, please consider subscribing. We have lots of fun things not only in the Advent season, but all year long. Come along for the ride and the positively eccentric adventure. And now, moving right along with this video, we have Dolce by Rosie Jane, another perfume. Wow, there's a lot of them. Yeah. Oh, this is interesting. 4 seconds Speedy Gloss Nails. I guess it is a quick drying nail polish in the shade Mayfair Made Me Do It. First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. I will be passing this along. This does not set well with my sensitive skin. The world loves this product, but it doesn't set well with my skin. This is 1 ounce Vanilla Skin, another perfume. I've taken a little sniff. I'm waffling on whether or not I'm going to keep this one to try it or not. I'm waffling on this one. And we have another perfume. This is Toka Love Yourself. In as much as I don't like the scent of it, I gotta say, the top of the bottle and the bottle itself, that's kind of snazzy looking. I might keep this just for looking at it. It does have a nice ring to it. Yes, it does reflect the light nicely. Now we're talking. Oh, Peter Thomas Roth. Now we're talking. Of course, in an itty-bitty little size, but knowing that I like the brand, I might be tempted to give you $4.17 for this. This is the PTR Water Drench Hyaluronic Jelly Moisturizer. I have not tried that, so this would be worth $4.17 to get to try. It's not even an ounce. It's 1/4 of an ounce. Although I will say, with his products, these little samples do last. They go a long way. Excited for this one. We have another perfume called Juliet. The brand name, Juliet Has a Gun. Do we not have enough gun violence in the world that we have to have a perfume named after it? Sorry, I digress. Not a brand for me. Or me. From Salt and Stone, we have a body wash. I've taken a little sniff. It's somewhere leaning towards a woodsy scent, yet for a body wash, you're going to wash it off. I've never tried their brand before, so this is a good way to try a product that you've never tried before. It's a body wash. You're going to rinse it off. If you don't like it, you can use a different body wash afterwards. From Caudalie, we have Resveratrol. I think I said that right. It is a eye gel cream in a itty bitty little container. But Caudalie, I think, has a really big price tag. So glad to see this and glad to give this a try and see what it's like. And honestly, with an eye cream, you're just gently patting in a little bit. It's not like we're trying to slather our whole person with it. Day 22 gives us blemish patches. These are the latest ones from Mighty Patch. These are invisible, so I guess it blends into your skin better. I really don't have much of a need for these, although I have heard that these types of patches are good if you get a mosquito bite. Day 23 is a lip product from Anthropologie. Interesting. Lip service in the new pocket size, which is 0.3 of an ounce. And it's made with honey, vitamin B3, and goji berry. I'm curious to give this one a try. If it's got berries and honey in it, this might be more of a springtime or summer product for my personal use, but glad to get this one. And yeah, I'd give you $4 and change for this. And day 24, the final day. Do we get the conditioner to go with that shampoo? Nope. We get a cleanser. Oh. This is the Mario Badescu Skin Care Enzyme Cleansing Gel. It's 2 ounces, so it's a little bit bigger than some of the other products. I don't think I've tried this one before. So, you know, Advent calendars, good way to try out some new products, see if you like them or not without investing the farm. So yeah, I'd give you $4.17 for giving this a try. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. I had seen some of the spoilers before I ordered this. I did not count up how many perfumes were in here. There are 7. That's a little heavy for my personal preference. Then again, perhaps Anthropologie is also designed for someone in a younger age range than what we are in. Would I give you $4.17 for everything in that calendar? No, I would not give you $4.17 per day. Did they get to their $300 value? Probably with all of that perfume, because perfume costs, it's expensive. That's how they probably credited their value. Am I glad I tried it? Yes, it was worth a try. Worth to see what they've had. We'd never done this one before, so we took a chance. What would I do differently? Well, less perfume, that's a definite. And instead of some of those perfumes, how about a face mask? Even if it was a one-day sheet mask. How about some hand and some cuticle cream? How about a shower steamer? Yeah, that would have been neat. The red nail polish, I'm not opposed to getting that. I just would have had them put it further up in the calendar. It was day 14. I would have put something like that at day 1 or 2, because if you're going to use red nail polish in December, you're probably going to have purchased it by day 1 or 2. Maybe a sparkle nail polish as well. Good point. As we said with the lip ointment, I'm not opposed to getting the lip ointment. It's just the raspberry, couldn't they have done something more seasonal, like apple caramel or a mint? And it would have been nice to see the conditioner to go with that shampoo. True. What do y'all think? Did you see something that you liked? Let us know. Let us know. Stay tuned to our channel. We still got a few things fun that are coming up. And we got content that we are planning on for next year. It will soon be the new year. Yes, it will. I don't know how that happened, but it's happening. Time flies. Time flies, and we hope you stay around to enjoy it with us. Happy holidays. More Advents and things to come, I think. I think there's a couple more. Oh boy.